Call 911 immediately. Call 911 immediately. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. Help, I need assistance. Help, I need assistance. Stay calm and don't panic. Stay calm and don't panic. Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? We need an ambulance. We need an ambulance. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm injured and need help. I'm injured and need help. Is there a doctor nearby? Is there a doctor nearby? Stay with me, help is on the way. Stay with me, help is on the way. Apply pressure to the wound. Apply pressure to the wound. Don't move, you might be injured. Don't move, you might be injured. Keep the victim warm. Keep the victim warm. I'm having chest pain. I'm having chest pain. I think it's a heart attack. I think it's a heart attack. Someone is unconscious. Someone is unconscious. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. We need a fire extinguisher. We need a fire extinguisher. Evacuate the building immediately. Evacuate the building immediately. This is an emergency. This is an emergency. I'm trapped and need help. I'm trapped and need help. There's a fire. There's a fire. Turn off the gas electricity. Turn off the gas electricity. Stay away from the windows. Stay away from the windows. I'm lost and need directions. I'm lost and need directions. Please hurry. Please hurry. I can't find my child. I can't find my child. There's been a robbery. There's been a robbery. Someone has collapsed. Someone has collapsed. I'm diabetic and need sugar. I'm diabetic and need sugar. I'm allergic to substance. I'm allergic to substance. I've been bitten by a snake spider. I've been bitten by a snake spider. There's a gas leak. There's a gas leak. I smell smoke. I smell smoke. I'm having an asthma attack. I'm having an asthma attack. I've been in a car accident. I've been in a car accident. There's a flood. There's a flood. I've been shot stabbed. I've been shot stabbed. My friend family member is missing. My friend family member is missing. I think I've been poisoned. I think I've been poisoned. I'm having a seizure. I'm having a seizure. The power lines are down. The power lines are down. I've fallen and can't get up. I've fallen and can't get up. There's a suspicious package. There's a suspicious package. I'm locked out of my house car. I'm locked out of my house car. I've lost my wallet phone. I've lost my wallet phone. I'm having a panic attack. I'm having a panic attack. There's a dangerous animal nearby. There's a dangerous animal nearby. I've been assaulted. I've been assaulted. I need to report a crime. I need to report a crime. I think someone is breaking in. I think someone is breaking in. My water broke, I'm in labor. My water broke, I'm in labor. I'm having contractions. I'm having contractions. There's a tornado warning. There's a tornado warning. I've been electrocuted. I've been electrocuted. I've ingested something toxic. I've ingested something toxic. I'm stranded and need rescue. I'm stranded and need rescue. There's an earthquake. There's an earthquake. I've been kidnapped. I've been kidnapped. I'm experiencing extreme pain. I'm experiencing extreme pain. I need a translator, I don't speak English. I need a translator, I don't speak English. I'm feeling dizzy, lightheaded. I'm feeling dizzy, lightheaded. Someone is threatening me. Someone is threatening me. I need to evacuate, where do I go? I need to evacuate, where do I go? My house is flooding. My house is flooding. I need emergency shelter. I need emergency shelter. I've lost my bearings, where am I? I've lost my bearings, where am I? I'm experiencing a mental health crisis. I'm experiencing a mental health crisis. There's a landslide. There's a landslide. I'm experiencing domestic violence. I'm experiencing domestic violence. I need legal assistance. I need legal assistance. There's been a chemical spill. There's been a chemical spill. I'm suffering from hypothermia. I'm suffering from hypothermia. I'm at location, send help. I'm at location, send help. There's a hostage situation. There's a hostage situation. My child is having an allergic reaction. My child is having an allergic reaction. I'm experiencing symptoms of a stroke. I'm experiencing symptoms of a stroke. I need to report a missing person. I need to report a missing person. I'm dehydrated and need water. I'm dehydrated and need water. I'm lost at sea. I'm lost at sea. There's a bomb threat. There's a bomb threat. I'm experiencing severe weather. I'm experiencing severe weather. I need assistance with a disabled vehicle. I need assistance with a disabled vehicle. I've been exposed to radiation. I've been exposed to radiation. I'm in a high-risk area, what should I do? I'm in a high-risk area, what should I do? I need to contact my embassy consulate. I need to contact my embassy consulate. I'm experiencing extreme cold. I'm experiencing extreme cold. I need to report animal cruelty. I need to report animal cruelty. I'm a victim of human trafficking. I'm a victim of human trafficking. I need to report a hit and run. I need to report a hit and run. I've been involved in a boating accident. I've been involved in a boating accident. There's a cybersecurity threat. There's a cybersecurity threat. I'm experiencing severe burns. I'm experiencing severe burns. I need to report a lost child. I need to report a lost child. There's a volcanic eruption. There's a volcanic eruption. I need urgent medical advice. I need urgent medical advice. I'm experiencing extreme heat. I'm experiencing extreme heat. I'm suffering from altitude sickness. I'm suffering from altitude sickness. I need to report vandalism. I need to report vandalism. I'm in a life-threatening situation. I'm in a life-threatening situation.